Hello and welcome to Railfanning. We've gotten ahead of CN Z121, who is approaching Green River, and have just got set up along Highway 144, just east of St. Basile. Power is CN 3211, 3924, and exCREX lease unit, and mid-DPU 3240, with a total axle count of 442. The friendly crew on 121 hit a snag, which allowed me to get ahead on their way to Edmundston. Track crew replacing rail in the CN Quisibis area were in the middle of a rail changeout and would not be able to clear for a while. They slow rolled through St. Leonard towards Quisibis for almost an hour before the RTC could give them the green light to finish their last 16 miles of their journey. This delay will cause another delay, as the outbound crew will be stuck at Edmundston as they will have to wait for a 306 to arrive. Had 121 not been held up east of Quisibis, 121 and an early 306 would likely have met at CN Tart on Napadogan Sub. Let's watch and listen to 121 race through the curves at St. Basile. I hope you enjoyed this great video 121 through the curves east of St. Basile. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again at Railfanning, enjoy and be safe.